Are you a woman? Are you tired of having control over your own body? Is a painful, invasive procedure by total strangers in a cold, impersonal setting exactly what you've been looking for? Well, now, participating Walgreens drugstores, in association with the Republican National Committee, announced the grand opening of our new Ultrasound on the Go clinic, Jiffy Badge. If you are a career gal who has committed unholy acts that are an affront to God, but don't want your state-mandated ultrasound to be an affront to your pocketbook, Jiffy Badge is the answer to your prayers if a promiscuous tramp like you ever bothered to pray. It's only a matter of time before all states require women seeking abortions to get an ultrasound. So why not do it at your neighborhood strip mall, where you can get all your shopping done and still have time to view a sonogram of the fetus you're planning to murder. But don't take our word for it.
The violation of my uterus was so quick and easy, and I never thought I could become so permanently traumatized at so low a price.
Whether you prefer the liquid gel method or the more rapey metallic insertion option, Jiffy Badge clinics are there to service all the women's reproductive decisions that you, as a woman, don't deserve to have a say in.
I was shamed and psychically scarred for life in a convenient location right next to Applebee's.
Jiffy Badge.
I haven't stopped sobbing since the procedure, but the parking was free with validation.
So be sure to visit your neighborhood Jiffy Badge clinic, where great savings begin at conception.